Love yourself. Appreciate yourself. Love yourself for who you are. No, they look people beauty. They look down on yourself. You know why? Because what is in you is greater than what is in them. Not be by beauty. When you started, some say your light no go shine. Some say let watch and see how you will end up. Now God don't finally make your light shine. They want use your light waka. Not just that. Now they can't even they fast pass you for your own lights. My dear, off your light first. Make the waka loss. You know why? Because they cannot reap for what they did not sow. Stingy Men Association. After my highness, 50 volume. When I see this thing, no be subtle, na snow. Koji go keep people. Ogun kiss Stingy Men Association. I beg guys, make una send me account number, make I send una money. Who Stingy Men Association help? Let me teach you how to play this game. Yeah? Now wait. Let me teach you how to play the game, yeah? Wait. Wait. Yeah, set down. Set down. Yeah, play. Play now. Play now. Oh yeah, look at me. I play the second one. Play the second one. Asa, no asa meri, kakira melu, na biri, iri bela, iraziba, azba moi no le ira le pie, no le iyo le pie, joba akiripi no do. So see, if you are my friend and you wish me alive, if you catch my girlfriend with another boy, no come tell me. Because if Atata kill me, now you kill me. You know why? If he hear no hear word, mind no dey spoil. You dey hear me? See, una when they go say money give, una go dey lavish am. Una dey see this place? No be ordinary ground o. Na water. You dey see so water. See, make una look at what trust to put now. It don cake. See, na water. Na dey see am. See am. Make una dey see wetin dey throw. Una dey see am? Una dey see am? Una dey see am? Na water, see. Na be the sea water, it don't block. Na ice block be this o. Ice, na be this o, it don't block. For summer, na water full year. Water, na big water be this one, so big water, it don't block. Now where people they also be this, it don't block. Water, she not they see the way it big, see am? See big water. It don't block. Trust to put they go make gang. Now water. Fine girl. Stay one place, you say no. Close your leg, you say no. Say you want chop life. Now you don't chop life now. God don't finally bless you with better husband. But the day of your wedding, they discover say when you dey chop life, you chop your husband, do no brother. Not just one, two. Let me shock you, that marriage no will work. Girl no be problem for Europe. Girl no be problem for Europe. See my condition. Make una shut up. When I try advise me since last year, now girl no be problem for Europe. Small thing when my girlfriend do me, he never even reach to quarter. I dump her. Since last year now, they find girlfriend now. I no see. See my condition. I believe say my girlfriend now will not change boys. Reach 3. Now they advise me, girl no be problem. See, all those of us have been friends when not have been settled relationship. This year, may not avoid me.
Madam, what do you do for there? Madam, what do you do for there?
What do you see how they do? You see how they peace with the ask me what they do for you. When they rape people wife. What do they look for that skirt? You know see say now today na be everlasting birthday. Fine boy, help your wife, yeah? Help your wife. Your wife not be iron, but you not be firewood. Help your wife, yeah? See, girlfriend different from wife. Help her. That one not make you woman apart, yeah? Help your wife. You see that your friend when they tell you say you be woman apart, now they wash plate. Help her before your wife will leave you mugu. Yeah, help your wife. I want to go help my wife, yeah? My ex, E shock you, abi? E shock you say I don dey do well. You dump me, you think say my life don end. Now I know say na you be my problem.
Fine boy, send money give your family. Yeah, still send money give your family. Every month, now you dey send money to your girlfriend family. But na Christmas to Christmas, now you dey send money to your whole family just because say make girl love you. See, let me tell you, girl wey go love you, na he go love you. And last, that same Christmas day, na they will collect that your girlfriend for your hand. Use
Una dey see una life. E dey pay me say some boys for this Europe, they don turn their document to travel license. You dey Europe since 8 years ago, 1 year for camp, they give you 5 years document. The remaining 7 years, you know the year they hear where camp dey for Europe country. Austria, you don stay camp. Holland, you don stay camp. France, you don stay camp. Switzerland, you don stay camp. Germany, you don stay camp. Now you don't come back to Italy. My problem now is that you no want rent. You don't stay squad with your friends. They do you. My problem is that why it be say who get head, not they get cap. Who get cap, not they get head. See, I want to ask you a question. Now people house una first stay for Nigeria. Now cap you first stay for Nigeria. Now cap now you first stay for Nigeria. Now people house you first stay for Nigeria. Tell me, see, if you just tell me the truth now, no go first with you. Just tell me, now people house now you first stay for Nigeria. Now people house you and your papa first stay for Nigeria. Now people.
What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup, not the rain, aka at the first. This morning at the first, I want to talk about Europe boys and Europe girls. Brother, you dey see your life, Brother, you dey see your life. I be you, Nana. Fellow boy like you go come meet you, say, brother, I beg, help me. You go say, when you new come Europe, you see who help you. Boy like you go come meet you, tell you say, I beg, position me. You go see that the position person for Europe. When I new come, I see who position me. Why your life be like this? Why your life be like this? Why? Wetin man do man? Wetin man do man? See, you know they pay me again because most of una when they Europe don't stingy to say una they stingy for una self. Let me break your heart right now. Many people they Europe, they get 3 fridge for inside room. After they talk to you now, go inside that fridge now. All the 3 fridge they're empty, nothing there inside. But if get tell they say that they come tomorrow, if get just tell boy say they come tomorrow, now those 3 empty fridge now they go enter supermarket, enter Africa store, they go fill them. 500 euro not reach them. They buy everything for inside that fridge now because they get they come. Why una life be like this? 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 Wetin man do man? I want break your heart right now. You know they think you don't want to sit down say how many girls they go prison for a year. If you go inside prison, 500 boys they inside prison. You know we even see 100 girls. Where they get no they go